All right, I'm going to show you how to use message reminders on Android, and there's a couple of different types of reminders you can use. First, if we go to the Messages app, on the main page where you see all your conversations, I can tap my profile on the right and then go to Messages Settings. From there, we'll go to Suggestions and Actions. And here we have a section called Nudges. Within the Nudges menu, we have a couple of options. First is Suggest Message Reminders, and if this is enabled, Google uses machine learning to predict when a message you've sent or received might need a reply or follow-up, and it'll surface those toward the top of your Messages app. The other option is Birthday Reminders. If you've saved someone's birthday to their contact info, this will remind you to wish them happy birthday. Kinda clever. As far as manually setting a reminder for a specific message, it's a little clumsy but can be done. You can go into a conversation, press and hold the side button, and just ask Google Assistant or Gemini to remind you about it. So I could press and hold the side button and say something like, "Hey, can you remind me about this at 4 p.m. today?" And it'll basically create a calendar event or reminder that pops up at 4 p.m. and reminds you to come back and respond. Another way, which personally I prefer, is just going to the main messages page and then long pressing a conversation and under the three dots choosing Mark as Unread. Now, when I come back to the Messages app, it'll show that thread as unread, which reminds me it still needs a response. It doesn't show a notification badge on the app icon, but in the list of conversations, that thread is marked as unread. I wish they'd just add a simple button that allows you to receive a reminder after a set amount of time, but as of now, these are your best options when it comes to message reminders. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more. I keep it quick, simple, and easy to follow. Thanks all. Till next time.